Today, we are going to get ready to send NISAR on its voyage from JPL to Indian Space Research Organization in Bengaluru, India. That means that we're going to have to suit up and go onto the clean room floor where my team and I have been working for the past 3 years to get this thing built. Come on, let's go. Shouldn't be too surprising what we're doing. We're getting into the airlock, then we're going into High Bay 1. This is the direction that we're going to be in when we lift it into the container. Okay, the whole thing is a precision instrument. Later on, we are going to have to assemble this thing, basically pick up a 2-ton load and put it together with the precision of a surgeon. So what is NISAR? It is the NASA-ISRO Synthetic Aperture Radar. This is the radar payload in the engineering panel, so it's effectively the heart and brains of the mission. NISAR will use 2 powerful radars that can detect very small changes in the Earth's surface. This allows the mission to observe a wide range of Earth processes, from the flow rates of glaciers and ice sheets to the dynamics of earthquakes and volcanoes. Along with our Indian colleagues, we've been building NISAR here in this facility for the last 3 years. And it took a whole crew, so they're not flying to Bengaluru in the container, but this is the entire crew from the mechanical team that's going. It takes an army to get us there. When I first came onto the project, this was just a shell of a payload. We had the aluminum and titanium structure with basically nothing in it, and then they've been populating it with electronics and with the radar payload. We brought in an instrument from India, the S-SAR, so that's the S-band radar, to our L-SAR, our L-band radar. Since then, we've been testing it, and today we're getting ready to put it in the shipping container to send it on to India. Tight fit. So we're going to be working over the next year with our Indian partners to do the final stages of assembly and test. Thank you for joining us today. It's been a pleasure being your guide, and I hope to see you when we launch next year.